Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be drawing a portrait of myself through a mirror. I'm going to be placing the mirror in front of me, and then I'm going to be looking in the mirror and I'm going to be drawing myself on a piece of paper at the same time. I got my little mirror right here. I know it's tiny, but I think it's the best option because I also have my paper right here. The question has to be asked, is this the hardest thing in the world? And the answer is exactly yes. I don't have the most beautiful setup in the world, but whatever. I'm gonna just stack things up, and then I'm gonna put the mirror right there. You can see, I can actually see myself in there. I'm gonna get the piece of paper, place it right there, and then this is where the magic happens. I'm gonna be looking in the mirror, drawing myself here. Let's get started. Bro, this is the craziest thing in the world. How many artists do you know that are doing this? None. I mean, it looks like it's coming together, you know? You could see my lips right there, my nose, and then now the eyes. Now, with the eyes, I don't know what to do because, like, I don't really like drawing eyes that much. It seems like we got the sketch out of the way so far. That's how it looks. I didn't know if I should be like smiling or like be serious. So I just kind of like, I don't know. I was just kind of scared because I thought smiling may hurt because it's a long period of time. So considering the fact that light is only coming from one side of the room, I decided to fill out this side of, I decided to fill it all out with a darker charcoal pencil so that it can be easier when I blend things. I'm just going to use my fingers to blend.
Try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody and stained from the people who deceive me.
It's time to draw the eyes. So now when drawing the eyes, I can't fully like get a grip here. It's easier for every other part of the face because every other part of the face is kind of like loose. So it's kind of like I can shed here, shed here, shed there, just loosely. But with the eyes are kind of like intimate a little bit, so I cannot grab, my grip can't just work like that. So I'm gonna cheat, just for 10 seconds, I'm gonna cheat for 10 seconds just for the eyes, and I'm gonna place it down like this, and I'm gonna work like this just for 10 seconds, just for the eyes. So this is how my drawing ended up looking like. I hope you guys love it. I don't think it looks like me, not specifically, but you know, this was a fun thing to do. I loved it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did making it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.